Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create theme-aware forms in Access. That is, forms whose appearance will automatically be updated to blend in with the currently selected Office theme. And you can see two different examples of the same form here, in colourful theme and in dark grey theme. Let's have a look at the example app to show you what I mean. Now, when I open the example application, the main form will open. It will detect the Office theme, currently colourful, and will then have the colours that I showed you on the previous slide there to blend in with that. As you can see that I've made it that the header of the form and the footer of the form are the Access dark red, also so the two buttons on the detail section of the form, which is the same as the background of the Access user interface. I've made the quit button on the header the background colour in order to contrast with the header dark red. Now if I open a second form, that's got a number of different controls on it: text boxes, labels, buttons, command buttons and toggle buttons, tab control, combo list box and a subform, each of which again I'm using the built-in Access theme colours or Office theme colours, apart from the Access Red Colourful, except for the subform where I've chosen my own sets of colours to be muted versions of the default theme colour, so you can actually see the text on that more easily. I'll close that form. I'll close this one as well. I'll go to Options and I'll change the Office theme then from colourful to dark grey. And when I do that, the whole interface has changed, as you can see. If we reopen the application, which I seem to have shut, then you can see that the main form has changed, and also so have all the items on the second form as well. I don't actually need to close the forms when I change the theme. You wouldn't normally obviously be changing the theme repeatedly while you've got an application open, but if I change it now to black, whilst I could have built in a timer event to detect this, I haven't done so because you wouldn't be in the situation where you'd do this normally. So if I refresh form though, that will now update. Refresh this one, that will also update in exactly the same way. So you've seen three of the different theme colours already. Let's now change it again. Change it this time to white, and the white colour is deliberately very washed out theme, and you can see we've got pure white on the header and the footer, and we've got the background colour for the detail. And if I change this one in the same way, again you can see the same idea. Now there's one more possibility before I go back to the colourful theme, and that is to use the system settings. Now my Windows settings are light, and that means that when I change it to use system setting, it will effectively use the colourful theme. If I use Windows Dark, it would use the black theme. So it will select the theme according to the Windows theme, which is currently, as I say, for me, Windows Light. So we change this, and as you can see we've got the colourful theme. Oh, press the wrong one there. We've got the colourful theme again. So I would get exactly the same result obviously if I selected the colourful directly in Access Options. Now I hope that's helpful. You can find all of the code to do with this in the related article on my website, isleofdogs.co.uk, create theme aware forms, and I may do a follow-up to show you how you can take this a stage further and different approaches in a future video. But for now, that's all. Thanks for watching. If you found it useful, please add a like and leave a comment, suggest topics for future videos in the series, and please subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be notified whenever new videos are uploaded, so you can be an early viewer of those videos. Thanks again. I'll see you soon.